Hello and welcome back to Tammy's Antique Vintage Dolls and More. And today I have a box opening, and I've opened up the lid, and that's as far as I've gotten at this time. So now we're going to look at what I got. So hang on one second here. There we go. Okay, take this out of the, oh my, this doll has been wrapped up really good. I didn't think it was going to be like this. Okay, so the next step would be is to get this stuff off of her. Okay, I got one arm out. Hang on, I have to put you down. Didn't know it was going to be this bad. I thought it was going to be a little bit better than this. Wrapped up really well. Too well. Oh my goodness, there's a leg. Okay, oh there we go. Oh, nifty little thing. Alright, here is what I got. It's to be restored. There she is. That is what I just bought myself. Let me see if we can see her face. There's her whole, no markings on the back. You can see that. So anyway, she's one of those little topsy, well, not topsy, well, I don't forget what, I don't know if I got the name right. But anyways, she's got the three little braids. She's a little black doll, of course, and well, some of her paint's already coming off. But there she is. She's got one eye, and the other eye is gone totally. Which means, regardless, I'm going to have to paint eyes, which I don't like doing, but I am learning. But that is okay. I'll get it. Before I start taking any paint off, the first thing I would be doing is take pictures, and make sure I get a good picture of that eye right there, of what they did to that eye, how they painted it. So that would be my next step. So there you go. And I don't know how long she is. They said she's only about 9 inches, but I think she's longer than 9 inches. Let me just see. I'm going to take out my little hang on again. Let me put just down one more time, and let's see just how long she is. She is about, oh no, she's about 14 inches. Yeah, she's 14. Well, 13 and a half. Oh, she's 14. She's 14 inches. They said 9 inches in the description. I thought, boy, she's tiny for a little, just a little doll. But she is 14 inches, and she's got those little quarter hands. So she's going to be quite the doll to fix up here. I thought the way her body looked in the picture too, it didn't look too good, but the body isn't really good. I thought it's got to replace the body, but no, her body, she can keep that. So she's a little 14-inch baby, so she's going to be interesting to do here. You can see her legs are not in the best condition either. Like, she's got issues there, so she's a total restore. She's going to need it right from head to toe. That's going to be quite the project there. But I'm not going to be doing her for, like, restoring her for quite some time, because of the fact that I want to get into vinyls next. And that's going to be my, like, finish off what I'm doing out in the shop there. I got 3 dolls on the go out there. I took out the Horseman doll. She went for a repaint. I lightened her paint up just a bit, and that, I think, will help me out with the eyes. She was just so dark. I didn't like how I think that was one of my problems, is that I painted her too dark. I didn't like it. And so I took all her paint off, repainted her now. She's almost done, and she's getting ready now for her eyes to be painted on. That's going to be my next one. Then paint the hair on her. And, well, I mean, paint the hair first. I mean, that's what I got to do first. I like to paint the hair first, then do her eyes. So, got to remember my steps. So, that's what I'm going to do next. And, but anyways, though, then I want to jump into vinyls, but she is on the list for sure to be done. I've got a couple of these little black dolls that are like this put away that I've been wanting to get involved in and do. So this will be interesting, you know, restoring her and getting her looked after and everything. But I think she's got a cute, she has a cute little face. She reminds me almost of Tiny Baby. the mold of this head really, that's why I thought it would have a, on the back of her neck, I thought for sure I would see something from Horseman Tiny Baby, because she just reminded me of that mold so much. If you're familiar with Tiny Baby, she's a Horseman doll, but she's about around the same size as this one right here. And that's why I thought, oh, I'd like to get this one. I bet she's marked. They just didn't bother to put down what she was marked with, but who marked her on the back. Some people do that, and you find out when you get them, there is a mark on the back, but she has no mark whatsoever. Unless it's down below, which could be. I have found that. But looking at her right now, I don't believe there is anything on her, but that's okay. Regardless, she's going to go right in beside him. When I decide to do all my smaller dolls, she'll be, she's going to be restored right along Tiny Baby there. It's just that she'll return to being black and he'll go to white. But they'll be nice counterparts sitting side by side. And they'll become friends. So anyways, though, there we are. My new little addition to the restoration family. So I hope you like her, and I think I do, you know, and the restoration should be fun on her. You can see she's going to need something, because boy, she's already lost paint. You can see her composition. Oh, I just took something else off her. Gotta stop touching her. It's just falling right off her. There's a couple pieces right there. I just lightly touched her face, and I flicked a piece of paint off of her. So, just to show, I want to take pictures of her here, so before I put her away, just so that I have pictures of her. I like to showing how when I restore them, their progress that they make. But anyways, there she is in a nutshell. She's cute. She's going to be cuter when she's done and all dressed and everything. But I hope you like her, and there'll be more. There's more coming. They got another box opening coming, and there'll be several more along the way. So she was a very cheap little doll too. She was underneath $10. When I got her. Nobody bid against me. I was shocked. I was waiting for somebody to bid, because sometimes these dolls here will be snatched up very quick. People like black memorabilia. Even in this condition, people will still buy them. But I was the only bidder on her, and that was it. So, okay then. Have a great day. Bye-bye.